It's been a little bit, but now it's time to hop back in. Let's check out the ETH price. So, yeah, we got the dump we were talking about. It took quite a minute, right? They dicked us around for a minute, for a while. Price was just holding, wouldn't drop, wouldn't drop. Finding support underneath the moving average EMA here, and then we finally sliced through. When we've been talking about this for who knows how long now. And we did touch. I'm not happy with where we're at. I still think we need to come a little lower here, and if we're being honest, I think we need to come, further down to this area. So I'd say maybe down here, 3,800 would be a nice spot, and we catch up to this moving average here, and this is where we base out. Come down here and such. I think this probably wasn't enough. We didn't even sweep fully. This was just a real limp dick sweep here. If we're really looking at it, I don't even think we fully swept. So we're down here. Jeez, man, yeah, it's like they had the dynamite buy order if it touched there, and they dumped all of their available free cash, sideline cash. This is your BMNR, your S-bets, all the DATs out there, hanging by a thread right now. So I would say this looks dire right now. These DATs are probably going to be, selling ETH in pressure possibly. The ones that stayed patient could become kings as far as on a per ETH basis, their cost average. So that's also something to keep in mind. Something to keep in mind too, who sold up here? Who took some profits? DATs can sell and rebuy. Who knows what's been going on here? So bravo to the team, right, guys? We called it. We called this, and we still have more to go. You can already see it starting to give this evening, and it's going to get a little bloody. So maybe we dump through September. We still have some time here. Yeah, let's just dump through September. We fill this wick at least, come back down a little further. Maybe this is where we end up stopping right here. So Ethereum, that's my take. We were right on the money. Right on the money here. So let's just keep that going. So for Bitcoin here, we have, we're losing support as well as the moving averages here too. So we sliced right through. It might get a little dicey here as well. I still think we come down here to 105, sub 105, or take out this area. So I think we still have some more, further downside to go here. So let's kind of take a look. Yeah, I think we're gonna slice through it. We almost had something looking like an inverse head and shoulders here, but we gave that up pretty quick. So I think we come down here to the 105, or we come down a little bit further on Bitcoin. If we're getting serious here, guys, maybe we come down here, and we hit here on the EMAs here and just swipe everything, just take it all out. That would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. That would be the look. Going into Q4, we get our one last hurrah. Or this could be it too. Let's keep an open mind. This could be it for crypto. So maybe not be out of the woods just yet. But yeah, that's the current standings here for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's look at BMNR. So yeah, it was pretty brutal to get today, guys. I don't know if how's everybody doing as far as the price actions going, but yeah, this was brutal. This was brutal. So we were down about 10% today, sliced straight through, and maybe we're getting some support in the area here. Maybe we're about to go back up, but I still think it's going to follow the ETH price, and we're going to come back. We're coming down further. We're coming down further for sure. I'm not sure how low. Maybe we just come down here, and this is where we find support, and she gets going again after ETH bases out after a dicey September. But I think that's how that's going to roll. Let's go look at SBET on the daily too. So SBET's just a limp dick, right? SBET just, what a horrible stock. Yeah, we're going to come take those lows. come down here. I think we come before we get any sort of good looks for SBET. Just what a limp dick stock, right? Yeah. Not a fan of SBET, guys. So when it's time, it could be time. So just keep an open mind on SBET. Let's go take a look at my baby, United Health, for all of you people who are ready to rock here. I think United Health is the place to be. We still got this gappy poo to fill up here, first and foremost. So that's up here at 380 plus. Look at the close today. Very nice looks on the close. Coming in here, just good looks, guys. Good looks here. We push up. Look at this. We actually got a bullish divergence too. Get out of here, right here. So look at this. That was the bottom of the RSI, and we're curling up too as we came out and took out those lows. So I expect a nice explosive move tomorrow morning for United Health. Maybe we gap and go. I don't know. Maybe we gap up here and go. But I'm expecting some nice movement in United Health tomorrow morning. Yeah, very excited about this one, guys. And just for long-term targets, I think first things first, we need to come up here and tag this puppy. That's up here, 400. Let's go hit 400 next target, right? And then we curl back down, right? So we come up here, we hit 400, and then we curl back down, and then we base out right here on 380 or so, and then we just get another look here, and then we keep going. So that would be the look for United Health. I think as we catch up here to the EMAs, everything gets reset. It'll be a good look going into Q4. Very excited about this stock. Let's go look at MVO too for anybody who's playing on this one. We got some sell today with a little catch back up, so price almost recovered. We're bonking here. We might come back down a little further. We maybe need some more support before we can giddy up and go. I'm going to keep my eyes on NVO though. This one's a good one like United, but a little more chunky on the price action. I'm not a big fan of this. Yeah, I think maybe we come down here and we got to, test this area before we can get up and go. So that would be kind of the look for NVO. A little messy there. Sorry, guys. Let's take a quick look at SPY. Well, SPX is relentless. We just know, another new all-time high. I have nothing to note here. RSI kicking up. Yeah, just let her go. Let her go. I have no notes. This is a stock picker's market. The indexes, they're flying. They're flying, guys. Just stay out of the way. Let's look at gold really quick. Yeah, gold just relentless as well. I have no notes there. So I think, just to cap it back up, let's go back to Ethereum. Yeah, guys, we're going to come down here, test this moving average. I think get a more decisive sweep under here. Come down, test this area possibly. Yeah, it'll look good. It'll all coincide here, and then Q4 fun. So that's all I got. Have a great night.